Hey guys, it's Greg again, and I want to go over some couple different assets with you that are not related to crypto. The S&P 500, and I want to go over the DXY. It's because what's going on with the S&P 500 is one guy made me aware of this. I want to show you guys and let you guys know about that because his name's Boss Wizard Crypto. He has a small following on YouTube. This guy, he really knows Elliott Waves very well. I'm in his Discord channel and seeing what he comes up with, and I really like how he does his Elliott Waves analysis. So I want to give a shout out to Boss Wizard Crypto. If you guys are in Elliott Waves, he's another guy that he doesn't post often on YouTube. He's doing it in his Discord more often than anything. So you go check him out. But anyhow, I wanted to go over the S&P 500 of the overall big picture because, I mean, like I have a channel and I'm doing things, posting with it. I post things about smaller trades or shorter term trades. And, that's fine. That's fine. But at the end of the day, the money is going to be made. The big money is going to be made in the bull cycles in crypto, period. Can you make money in bear cycles? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. But are you going to make as much money as that's going on in a bull cycle? Not even close. Not even close. And, ask any, you just go, any trader that's going to be honest with you will tell you probably the same thing. But how many traders are out there making a ton of money right now? They're making good money on shorts, but in this chop right now, it can be difficult and unpredictable in where Bitcoin and Ethereum and some of the other assets are right now. So anyhow, on my screen, I have the S&P 500, okay, going all the way back to 1872. And just give you a wave count. Like people are talking about the grand super cycle on the S&P 500, and we're coming to the end of the grand super cycle, and it's all going to come crashing down, and we're all screwed, and we're going into a 20 to 40 year bear market sideways action. And that is possible. That could be the end of the fifth right there. That could be the end of it. But I wanted to show you something what Boss Wizard Crypto made me aware of. And I just find it interesting. So this is what you want to pay attention to. But anyhow, here's the 1929 run up with wave one, come down for wave two after the crash. This is the .com bubble and then the crash. And then on the grand super cycle, it is in wave five. So let me go down to the weekly first, show you where that is. So there's that wave four. After the going the .com bubble and then coming down over here to the 08 crash or the recession. And this is the area that's open for debate. And there's a lot of Elliott Wave people saying this is wave five, even though I don't really agree with it just because it would be a very short wave five compared to the wave one. And that, if you go back and look at the monthly on the S&P 500, the wave one was pretty long, from 1872 to 1929. So how many years is that? That's like 30 plus another, 28, almost over 50 years. Wave one was 50 years. This wave so far is from 09 to 22. It's 13. Normally, wave five is usually somewhere about the same length as wave one. So just to give you guys an idea, not to say that will be, but it could be. So in here is the area I wanted to show, but like on this count that I have, a bullish count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then within here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to complete that wave three. So now we're in this area. Okay, so there's some that are saying this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's 5. That's it. That's it. And this is going to crash. So I don't think so. I don't think so. I didn't think so for a while. I still don't think so right now. Now, this is the area of the discussion right here. And then if you go up on this wave, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a little 5 right there. if this is the correct count, you know, Boss Wizard Crypto made me aware of this. If this is the correct count, then this is a wave 1 and it's coming down for a wave 2 like this. This is a wave 1, it's coming down for 2 and it's going in for 3. Bullishness. And how are we going to know this count right here? This structure right here on the S&P 500, if this is the wave 1, and if this is corrected already to here, and it's going bullish right now, then you could say that this is wave 4, and it's going into wave 5 like that, and this is going to crash. Okay? If this corrects down right here and breaks that area 4102 and breaks that area, so like this, say it goes like this. I'm just going to show you as an example. Say this is A, B, and it comes down here. Then this structure, so what Boss Wizard Crypto made me aware of, this structure will not be able to go with this if it comes down there. And you will not be able to say that this is a 4. Okay? You will not be able to. So people that are bullish on the S&P 500, you want this leg. You want this. If this continues to go like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's it. You get short time horizon. But if it corrects to here, it breaks that low, it comes down here like this. This count will not be that. It'll be this if it just continues to go up. The 4 will be there, and that's it. That's it. Probably another 8 months to 15 months at the most. But if it comes down here, this whole thing will be wave 1. Let me delete these real quick. This whole thing will be wave 1, and this will come down to 2, like this. 1, 2. Okay? And then you'll be in this third wave. This third wave. And this is going to go on, you know, this third wave is not going to go on for like 8 months or 10 months or even 12 months. This is going to be 2 years, you know, maybe even 3 years. Okay. This wave 1 was March of 2020 to January 22. So just under 2 years. So this wave 3 will be like 3 years, 2.5, 3 years probably. Okay. If it does that. So if you're bullish right here, if you're bullish on the S&P 500, you want this. You want this. If it's just going to go here like this, however it's going to go up, you know, just say as an example, you know, if it does this, that's it. So I just want to make you guys aware of that I learned that from Boss Wizard Crypto, because I wasn't sure. I'm like, okay, what's going on? And like, what are we trying to figure out here? What we want to be aware of. So you want this to come down. I just want to make you guys aware of that. And then how does this relate to crypto? Right now, you know, you cannot say that cryptocurrencies are related or correlated 100% to traditional financial markets, because there are times, if you look at the whole period of cryptocurrencies, there's time it's not related. So you can't say it's 100%. Sometimes it is, sometimes it isn't. But I'm saying right now, it does seem to be correlative. If the S&P and the NASDAQ and the Dow Jones are going down, Bitcoin's going down. So, all right. That's why I want to make you guys aware of something like that. And then on the dollar of what's going on with the dollar, go down to this 2 hour. Okay. Now, how far this is going to keep trending up here, you know, technically I have a wave 4 here, I'd have to recheck all that on that wave 4. And then this, let me see right here, this should end there, but going to see what's going to happen here. And then the count may change where this up here could be wave 4. And then the dollar can make another push to 102. While this is doing this up here, if it does make that move on the DXY, crypto, you know, that's when there's going to have a correction, a pretty big correction. And then, you know, right here, if it does this correction, if it finishes up this wave, and then crypto might have a push up or a bounce. And then if it finishes this, assuming that this 4th wave would be 3rd wave here and then 4th wave down or something, I have to go look at the count. If it does do that push up past 101, and then there's a trend change in the dollar getting weaker, that's when it's going to be really, really bullish on not only cryptocurrencies, but some of those other you know, risk assets will be going down. So to give you the whole big picture on the weekly, on the DXY, okay, here's the weekly on the DXY. So you can see I got a trend here to that peak, to this peak where it wicked through it, and then that one, and this one's already broken through that. But there's another trend I have on top to this peak. So I'm thinking it's going to go possibly to there, which would be about 101, 102-ish. And then, in my opinion, we are going to have this right here, devaluing of the dollar. The dollar is going to get weaker. It's like that. Crypto, if that happens, if this happens right here, crypto up, everything, not everything, but just so many things just go up, but especially crypto, since this is focused on cryptocurrencies, they will be going up, up, up. Just a massive bullish run for Bitcoin and other assets, cryptocurrency assets. So I wanted to show you guys that, comparing everything to a Bitcoin and what I'm checking out and what I'm looking at and what I'm patiently waiting for. I think that right now is not the time to be going long on cryptocurrencies. I think we're getting close. We are getting, in my opinion, we are getting close. And for those people that have stayed around through this, even through this Bitcoin correction and here and through this correction and wherever it ends up, you know, whether it's at, you know, 37 down to 33, 32, you know, maybe even breaks down into these other areas down here and finishes this correction. For those that were patient, in my opinion, they're going to be rewarded very, very nice. So, all right, guys, that's the end of my video. Thanks for watching. Peace.